Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a person in a photo by using Canva. So here I'm going to add a photo and I'm going to remove a person inside the photo. So for example, I'm going to use these photos right here and I'm going to make it as the background first. And what you need to do next is just click on a photo. Go to the edit at the top right here and then find this magic under the magic studio. Just click on the magic eraser. So instead of using brush, you can just click on a click so that the magic eraser will detect an object or a person's people in a photo. So what you need to do is just choose the person that you want to remove. So for example, I'm going to remove this one. So just click on the part that you want to erase or remove. Then click on the erase button and let the magic eraser do its magic. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is the final result. And I think that's all. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.